Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your last seen on WhatsApp. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the WhatsApp application, open that up, and then you want to go to the bottom right where you see settings, click on settings, and then you just want to click on account, and then privacy. And then as you see here, it's at the very top, it says last seen everyone. So you just click on that, and then you can decide here whether you just want your contacts to see, nobody to see, or everyone to see. Totally up to you. But this is where you change your last seen setting. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.